Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Since you have opened this video, so come and practice the speaking test with me. You will see the questions put by me in black and the answers that you are supposed to give in red. This is the topic 3rd, section 3 of the speaking test, where there are a couple of questions put on a specific topic and you are supposed to give the answers. I am picking 2 topics here, which is 1, house preferences, and 2nd, social media. So let's begin with the questions. Which social media do you use commonly? How much time do you spend on your social media posts or just scrolling around? Okay, what kind of information do you actually consume on social media sites? Now guys, I am continuing with the second topic in flow to this first topic, that was social media. Now this is house preferences. Why do some people buy small houses and some people buy large houses? Okay, do you think it is very expensive to make a home look the way you want it? Why some people do not care about how their house looks? Do you agree that living in a big house is better than living in a small apartment? Okay, well, thank you so much for giving your time. Okay guys, so this brings us to the end of the video. Please subscribe to my channel and keep watching my videos and putting your comments in the comment section.